Hi everyone, it's Anne. Well, it may be cold outside, but I'm preparing for summer barbecues, picnics, and I've made this lovely picnic folder. So it's going to hold our knives, forks, spoons, and a lovely pocket here for napkins, paper towels, and things that you want to just carry. It's just a very light carrying case for all your simple picnic needs. You know, if you're going out for lunch, just with a sandwich, and it does up with a little bow. It would also make a lovely gift. So let's just go through how I made it. Very simple, easy to do. I didn't follow a pattern. I just got some fabric out and just started imagining what I would want on my simple picnic. You know, maybe taking the car out to the beach or something, and you could just pick this up quickly and take it with you. So let's just take those out. Now this was one piece of fabric, so all I've done there is just fold it in half. So I've got a front and a back, and I then picked two pieces of fabric that I thought would go nicely with the colours, but just would stand out a little bit so that you can see the pockets. Could use the same fabric really. Now the finished length for mine was 50 centimetres and the height is 24 centimetres. But of course I was going by the size of my cutlery that I wanted to carry. So I have wooden cutlery, but I also have these that I keep and just wash each time. So the size of your cutlery or whatever you want to carry will decide what length this piece of fabric will be. So I wanted mine to be satin really well so that when I folded it up and tied it, it wouldn't be falling out. I did consider putting a flap there, but I just thought no, I'll just go with that. So I cut this piece out and then a piece this side for the napkin. So then before I stitched these two sides together, I stitched this pocket on, and then I stitched 3 pockets here. When they were stitched on, I then turned right sides together and stitched along this edge. I then turned it out to the right side, and all I did was fold in the ends and pinned it, added my ribbon and just stitched along the outside, and the same with this side. So a very simple make, which as I say will make a lovely gift or a very handy item for you for your picnics. We've done that so many times, got to the beach or wherever we're going and needed to cut up something or to use a fork, and we haven't got our cutlery with us. So this is always ready to go. So I hope you like that idea. So bye for now everyone. Enjoy your sewing